Hey guys, good morning, welcome. So it's really nice and sunny out today. Like, Con made the bed, actually, bless him, he's so good, he's so precious. Look at it, but it looks nice, like, bless him, he's an angel. And I opened the blinds and stuff, so it's really nice and sunny out today, even though I'm sure it's freezing, because I think last night was like the coldest night. I think it was -8 degrees or something like that, and it's been snowing the last couple of days like everywhere else. So yeah, I'd say we're being fooled. So we're gonna go out for a walk anyway, but I'm gonna wear my quilt and yeah, it'll be good. We're reading Harry Potter at the moment. Well, Con's reading it, we're rereading them, so he reads them out loud to me every night. So we started 2 nights ago. We've already read that much. I fucking love it, it's so good. I've never read the books, I've only seen the films, and I love it. We're Con woke up very upset this morning because he had a nightmare last night, bless him. Well, not really a nightmare, he said it was a nightmare, but he said that he was being forced to marry someone else and he was devastated and he couldn't get out of it. And then he like eventually tried to get out of it with them, and I was fuming at him, and then I blocked his number and everything, so he wasn't able to find my number anymore. He was fucking deaf. And then I think he woke up and then he said he had to give me a hug while I was sleeping. He's so funny. He was very stressed. He was like, I was so panicked. I was actually real panicked, like I was actually proper panicked in it. Anyway, I'm gonna go have breakfast now. I think I'm gonna have avocado on toast because I think my avocado is ripe enough. And I think Connor is planning on spending the day doing the garden, pretty much, like the back garden bits on it, because it's just like I wouldn't know where to start. So yeah, after a walk obviously. So my plan is breakfast, walk, shower, and then I have a few things that I still need to like unbox and stuff like that. I'd love to paint the kitchen, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm ready to commit, you know, that kind of way. So yeah, it's also Saturday, so I'm like, Connor's back to work on Monday, so I'm like, I don't want to be forcing him to do loads of shit. But anyway, we'll see. Like, I can do the kitchen myself during the week. Our handles for the kitchen cupboards aren't coming for like a month anyway, so it's like we're gonna have to survive without things on them. Obviously you can still open them, it's not really that big of a deal, but I don't know. I also want to do a few other things. I want to paint the banister black. I might do something like that today. I need to like get some stuff done, do you get me? Like, I need to see changes.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through their maze. The dreams are not the same for me, standing by the shore.
Connor just removed the locks from the hot press because I'm going to paint it white, because we tried to change around the room and think I'm going to have to keep this here, so we're going to paint it white so this grand is like a backdrop. So it's now 7 PM, haven't done one bit of painting because Connor was literally putting the masking tape on these and taking these off for me, and then he noticed that there was like a hole up there, so then he pulled it, and then we actually, no, to be fair, there was a bit here as well that like paper was hanging off. It was like, they've loads of like wallpaper, like it's like 2 or 3 fucking layers of wallpaper. So I think, well, there's no I think, we've like just pulled off the majority of it. We're gonna leave, like, I've sprayed it with water, it comes off a lot easier then because it dissolves the glue underneath the wallpaper. So we sprayed the bits that are left, and then hopefully they'll come off pretty easily in the morning. We've already replastered a few bits, and then we're gonna repaint it tomorrow. We'll paint it all again white and just paint this at the same time. So yeah, planning on getting up early tomorrow and doing that. But now I need to go and wash my disgusting greasy hair. And Connor's just putting dinner in the oven. It's going to be like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna run because I want to be comfy and ready to like relax. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to be having to have a shower after dinner, so. Guys, we finally got a toaster. Oh, what a fucking treat. I'm about to make my avocado toast now. I'm so excited. Honestly, making toast under the grill is a lot more hassle because you have to like watch it. Like, it's just not for me. How exciting. Anyway, and this toaster is gorgeous. I've wanted it for ages, literally. And then someone in my family bought me it. I was like, when I first saw it was like €70, and then it went back up to like 110, I think. And Curry's is like literally the only place that stocks it. I just wanted a matte black one, but I love how it has bits of chrome and stuff as well, because I needed it to break it up. I could only, like, all the black toasters were like black and shiny and like weird textures and stuff, but I just like, I'm obsessed with this one. Like, it is perfect. And we also really wanted one with 4 things. Well, Connor did. He was like, that's the only thing I care about. So that narrowed us down more, but it is gorgeous. I'm so excited over a toaster, like, it's not normal. Never thought I'd see the day. Once again, Ellie's got me sobbing. Look at that froth. The Nespresso froth there is unreal. And it's weird, it's like skimmed milk. Froth's more. I usually have like low fat super milk at home in mum and dad's, and I had it here, and then I just got skimmed milk the other day, and since then it's way more frothy. Like, I wish that you could see through the mug, but it's unreal. I love, you can do hot milk and cold milk in it as well, so like you can use it for iced coffees too. I think I'm gonna make a hot chocolate later with frothed milk. So I forgot to tell you guys that we finally ordered our couches because, well, because it came back into stock. We got it was out of stock for ages at IKEA. Like, we saw it when we went to IKEA like before Christmas, and we looked at it online before we went, and then we saw it when we were there, and it was so nice. So we went for like this grey colour, but in the 2-seater we were like debating if we wanted a L-shaped or chase. I can never pronounce it. So, but we decided not to, so we decided to get this armchair and a 2-seater and a footstool. So they're not coming for a month. I feel like it's showing up really dark on my camera. I don't know if it actually is or not, or whatever, but yeah, so this is the armchair. It's gorgeous. It's medium grey that we got it in. There's also a darker grey. I'm obsessed with the cream and this whole vibe. It's also so nice and white, but like my heart just can't take the stress that it would give me. So this is the 2-seater that we got, and this is the stool that we got. So they're so comfy, guys. They're so soft, and like I love how the pillows are like soft. They're not like hard. It's just so comfortable to sit on, and the fabric's so nice. I feel like a lot of people have got the Grandad sofas, and that's why they were sold out. But yeah, you can also buy the like covers. So like if we did decide to change our mind, we could buy other covers for it as well, which is pretty handy. But I feel like grey you can't really go wrong with. That is the colour that we've got there, and that's the like texture of the fabric. It's really nice. That is for think I was always saying it's kind of like the clothes. Actually, it's how they look how like soft it is. You can see she's sitting on it. It's gorgeous. But yeah, anyway, that won't be here until I think it's the 7th or 8th of February, so I'll stay sitting on these chairs till then. So these just arrived. I bought them on Amazon, so it's like this is like, I know it doesn't look like it, but it's, believe it or not, for like hanging a rope or whatever on, so you put that on the back of the bathroom door. This is a toilet roll holder. I think they're really cool. So obviously that'll go on the wall. And this one is a towel rack. It's in pieces, so there's no point in moving it. But the pieces are cool, so it goes like that. And that one obviously goes there. And then I don't genuinely know for sure why there's more of these, unless 2 are probably for the toilet roll and they're just shoved in here. But yeah, I thought they were cool. Got them on Amazon, and I'll link them below. I also cannot decide which bathroom to put them into. I want to get other more simple black ones as well, and then I'm thinking for the other, whichever one's left, to do like brassy kind of ones, because all the ones that we have, 2 of the bathrooms don't even have toilet roll holders, and the one that does have, actually none of them do, but some of them have towel racks and they're like painted over and stuff, like they're not in good condition. Like they just completely ruined them by painting over them. So I'm gonna have to get all new ones. Okay, I'm off for a walk. Wish me luck. I think the rain has stopped by now. It was like horribly spitting rain when I ran out to the car a while ago, but I can't see any rain, so fingers crossed. Update, it's lashing, but I'm just gonna get it done anyway. Hey guys, so I'm home now and just chilling for the evening pretty much. I've got a bit of work to do, but I'll just be chilling mostly. So yeah, I thought I would end the vlog here because I'm gonna start a new one tomorrow. So yeah, I feel like it gets confusing if I've got too many days together, so I'm trying to make it a bit more, like make a bit more sense to you, if you get me, but it's kind of hard. I feel like these home vlogs are just like all over the place, and it's the worst. But anyway, I'm trying to get more organized and like trying to end and start each one properly, because otherwise when I'm editing it, I'm literally like, what fucking day is this? Like, it's so confusing to edit. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you're still enjoying these regardless. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to include in them or change about them, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.